Callie, what are you doing? Getting high?
You smell good, Callie.
Oh, she's on the table.
I like the way you smell.
Gross.
We're gonna
It's not
blow up some
deodorant.
soap in the microwave. Why is this like kind of damp feeling?
That's the way I like bars of
It's
soap.
moist.
I love me some moist soap.
Okay, we need a paper towel to set this on. This better be epic, is all I'm gonna say.
You're not doing it without me, are you?
No, we're here. Okay. We're documenting the whole
I'm so
experience.
excited.
Alright, go.
Wait, you need more layers. You need to
Okay.
put it on a plate, maybe.
I'm really scared.
Oh, we need music going.
Before we can blow up the soap, we have to have music going. Don't do too much.
Go.
Well, apparently we need music.
Yeah, we need music going. We can't
Just sing
microwave soap in
Okay.
silence. Yes, we all are musicians.
Please don't put her phone in the microwave.
Are you
That'll be
gonna
the
play
best
something or
camera
no?
He's just gonna talk about it. For
How
a
long
while.
you put it in?
Oh no, we should have paid attention.
300 seconds.
9 minutes.
Oh, wow.
9 minutes?
You can't put 300 seconds.
Yes.
No way.
Okay, alright, we gotta watch this.
9 minutes for real?
No, I'll take it out.
Surely not. Come on, do it.
What does it do?
Watch.
Hopefully awesome stuff.
What if it doesn't do anything?
Yes! So awesome!
Oh god, look at it go!
Oh, it smells funny.
Screw candles, man. This is the best way to get your apartment smelling good.
It smells just like
It's like an exponential shower.
Ivory soap jousting.
Paint faces on it and give it little swords.
Can you use this soap once it has been?
I don't know,
Probably.
$5 to do it.
Really good.
Don't let it mess up the microwave.
Oh, we would
Should we,
never
like-
do that.
Should we stop it now?
I guess it can't hurt.
We'll wait till it gets to the.
Wait till it turns black.
It'll clean it, don't worry.
It's okay, this is a sure way to clean it.
Is the Felicia?
Put down Facebook.
I know.
Flush, the Osh of flush might come.
When?
Okay, everyone pose.
I think we should take it out now.
No.
That's what she said.
It may be the maximum that it expands.
That's what she said.
I know you were
Stopping it.
doing that's
I'm
what
stopping it.
Ah!
It's only been 2 minutes, we can go much longer than that.
That's what she said.
Okay, everyone pose with the thing. I can't see Adam. Okay. Okay, that might be enough.
Ah! Oh!
Whoa! Don't touch it.
Hot.
It'll probably be really
Oh
hot.
my god!
Oh, that's so cool.
Whoa!
That's what she said.
We have to get it out of the microwave.
Take
and
it out.
Take pictures of it.
You should just leave it.
Take it out. Oh, it's so.
Take a picture of that.
I like it.
Everybody touch it for the picture before it deflates too
That's what she said.
much. It is what she said.
I feel this one. That's really weird.
Ew,
nice. Let's take a
that looks
bath.
like a Cheeto.
Oh, is it made of Cheetos? Or microwave Cheetos?
You're gonna use this and see if it's
on JJ's bed.
Should we stop it now?